In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data to Pipedrive via CSV. By the end, you'll know how to bring in both leads and deals using a simple spreadsheet, and what to expect on each screen so you can move through the process with confidence. First, sign in to your Pipedrive account. Before you begin, it helps to have your spreadsheet ready in either CSV or XLSX format, with clear column headers like name, email, and phone. Consistent formatting makes the mapping step smoother, and using UTF-8 encoding prevents odd character issues. Start in the Leads section. From your Leads inbox, open the drop-down menu at the top and choose Import Data. You'll see the import flow. Click Next to proceed. On the Upload screen, choose Upload Spreadsheet and select your CSV or XLSX file. Remember, only these two file types are supported. If your data is in another format, export it as CSV first. After the file uploads, choose Continue with Import. You'll be guided through confirmation screens. Click Next to move forward. On the mapping review, Pipedrive will try to match your columns to lead fields. Double-check that names, emails, and any custom columns point to the correct fields. If something isn't recognized, you can adjust the mapping so your data lands in the right place. Click Next again to confirm. When you're ready, click Start Import. This may take a few moments depending on your file size, so give it time to finish. Once it completes, your new records will appear in Leads. Now let's import deals into your pipeline. Go to the Deals view, open the drop-down at the top and select Import Data again. Click Next to move into the importer. Choose Upload Spreadsheet and select your deals file in CSV or XLSX format. Then click Continue with Import. Proceed through the setup by clicking Next. On the mapping step, check that your columns align with deal fields such as title, value, currency, and stage. If your file includes organization or contact details, make sure those fields line up as well so Pipedrive can link everything correctly. Click Next again to review. Finally, click Start Import. As before, the system will process your data, and you'll see your deals populate in the pipeline once it's done. That's it. You've imported leads and deals from CSV into Pipedrive using the built-in importer. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more.